You won't believe how my cat-hating mom completely switched sides. I found an abandoned kitten in our hay barn and brought him home. My mom was totally against it. She'd always been known for disliking cats with a passion. When I went away to college, I had to leave my furry friend at home since pets weren't allowed in the dorms. Now that I've moved into an apartment, I'm finally ready to bring my buddy to live with me. But hey, race the shocking twist, during that 1 year, something unexpected happened. My mom, who once couldn't stand the sight of cats, became completely attached to my kitten. Now she's claiming him as her own. My parents are putting intense pressure on me to leave him behind. They're saying it would break mom's heart if I take him. The emotional weight of their guilt tripping is becoming unbearable. The worst part is that there's no room for discussion. They refuse to consider my perspective or acknowledge that he was meant to be my companion through life's journey.